If you love buffalo chicken, you've never had them like this before, folded in crispy tacos with melted cheese, and once you see the final bite, you'll want them tonight. We will start with the chicken. I'm using 1 pound, cut into small cubes so they are easy to tuck inside the tacos. Season with Cajun seasoning, paprika, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder. Mix well until every piece is coated. Now add a drizzle of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. This helps the seasoning to stick. Heat 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan to check if it's ready. If you don't know this yet, drop in a piece of chicken. If it sizzles, you're good to add the rest of the chicken. I'm adding them slowly because I don't want the oil to splash on me. Let them cook all the way through. This will take from 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Look at this golden color from all the seasoning that we added. If you are liking this recipe so far, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Once the chicken is cooked all the way through, add your buffalo sauce, about 1/4 cup. Mix it with your chicken. And it's important to lower the heat as we don't want the buffalo sauce to boil. Then squeeze in the juice of a lemon. This will balance out the heat. And finally, toss in a handful of chopped cilantro. And just like that, the filling is done. Now I love pairing these with a simple cilantro yogurt dip. In a mixer, combine 1/2 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a bunch of cilantro. Mix those together, then add the juice of 1/2 lemon and a teaspoon of lemon zest. Blend it all together until smooth and creamy. This is fresh, tangy, and perfect with tacos. Lastly, we will prepare our tacos. With that, I mix mild or sharp cheddar for flavor and mozzarella for that melty stretch. I like using small tortillas for this recipe. Now on 1/2 of your tortilla, layer a mix of cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Along with your buffalo chicken. Fold it over and crisp it up in a pan with some butter until golden. Once it is crispy and golden on one side, flip it up to crisp it up on the other side as well. These tacos are crunchy, cheesy, and with a cool cilantro dip on the side, seriously next level. If you are still watching, you are definitely my kind of foodie, so hit that subscribe, give this video a like, and drop me a comment with what recipe you want to see next. Thanks for watching Meals by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.